So I'm showing you guys another healthy version of a viral TikTok trend, and that is pancake cereal. So you're going to need one banana. The more ripe your banana is, the sweeter your pancakes will be. So try to choose one that is ripe. Break it up and then mash it up with a fork in a bowl. You can also blend it in a blender if you'd like, but I find mashing it up in a bowl with a fork is super simple and easy to do. You can also ripen your banana more in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes if you want it to be extra sweet. Once your banana is all mashed up, we are going to be adding in 2 eggs, and these are going to bind the pancakes. You can also use a flax egg if you prefer and you are vegan. To that, I'm adding in some baking powder, and I'm going to whisk everything together until everything is combined and smooth so that we can make our little pancake cereal. I'm adding that into a plastic bag so that we can pipe this onto our pan. If you have a squeeze bottle, this will also work better, but I didn't have one on hand. So on a pan on medium heat, I cut a slit in the plastic bag and I'm making little circle shapes. After the edges have sit and they are golden brown, go ahead and flip them. They can be a little bit finicky, so you might need to use your finger just to help guide them over. Do this to all of your little pancakes. I had to do about 3 batches in my pan. Once they are done, you can go ahead and add them to your little bowl and have them as cereal. So this made 1 bowl of cereal. I topped mine with a little bit of maple syrup, and you can also add your favorite pancake toppings. And there you go, healthy pancake cereal.